Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Funky Fresh Gaming coming back with another PUBG game for y'all this evening. And so I wanted to go back to the other video I just did about the whole like, what is this in the sky kind of thing. I mean, PUBG just always seems to amaze me. That's why I like playing it. Hopefully y'all are enjoying these videos. If y'all are, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to share the video with y'all's friends. If y'all want me to play with y'all, comment your username down below with your Steam ID. We can play some games together. I definitely would be down. Other than that, I do plan on getting some new games pretty soon. Trying to decide what I want to stream here and there to grow the channel a little bit more. With that being said, let's go ahead and get the game started. Let's see what kind of adventures we have today. Yeah, even with that last video, like, it was kind of fun. It was pretty cool. But thanks for the new subscribers, by the way. I appreciate y'all being here with me this evening. And with that being said, let's see where we start off with today.
So guys,
hey, what's going on, man?
not much, so much. You guys feel like going coal mine?
Yeah, first game of the night right now for me. So whatever y'all want to do.
Cool, cool.
Have you been getting any good games in?
Yeah, was
Alright.
been rushing in too fast, get myself killed.
Oh yeah, I get you. I'll probably just take it pretty chill today, like land in the outskirts somewhere of wherever you decide to.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to consciously like chill, you know, like stay back.
Yeah, I'd like
Gotta
to
watch
get
out.
in a good round. I don't like one of my strats was just like camping at one time, and it did pretty well. But I know that's not everyone's strat, so.
Works in singles, I guess. You guys tried the gliders yet? They're a lot of fun.
Okay, so how do you spawn one of those? I saw one in my previous game, but I didn't know how to get it.
You have to go to the spawn points. I don't know. There's a map of them online somewhere.
Okay.
I don't really know where.
I saw someone flying one.
Yeah, they're all on the outside, like the outskirts of the map. They don't spawn in the center.
But can they blow up too if people shoot at them?
Yeah. They don't. You don't die. Like if they blow up, you just can't fly them anymore. So then you have to glide down.
Okay, interesting. Let's see if we have other teams here with us.
Yeah, one of the team.
Okay.
Landing close warehouse, red.
If I could take it easy to the outside. So yeah, I mean, like, I could rush in there with my team, but I'm just gonna kind of hang out here. Let them decide what they want to do. Get all their gear, I guess, ready. Oh, well, that guy just told me how to get the freaking glider, so that was interesting. I just marked a spot for myself. If y'all loot everything, y'all can come over there. It's inside the safe zone. The suppressor should be pretty nice, so I'll probably just decide to use this here in a little bit if I come into cross anyone. Hey Red, if you want to come out towards me, you're welcome to. Ooh, level 3 best. Alright, that should be a good match then. It's just gonna be us, y'all, so me and the people watching this video, just us. Let's see, maybe we can find a glider somewhere. That'd be pretty cool. That is exactly what I was wondering, how that appeared in the game. Must be a new update though, that's kinda neat. honest, I've never really used melee weapons for and then he just comes over here and takes all my crap. Hey Red, can you hear me? Are you there? Oh, I guess Red doesn't want to talk. For some reason my push to talk was off, so wasn't sure if he could hear me or not, but I think it's just gonna be us, yo. I'm gonna try and stay close to him, but I don't think he's playing team very much. Wherever you want to go, Red, just mark it on the spot. We can go there. Red, what kind of scope do you have on that gun there? I guess Red doesn't want to talk. We'll just go towards high ground now, I guess. Team that doesn't communicate. Well, we'll see how this goes. I'll try burst fire. There's not an automatic on this one, but let's see what burst fire does. Man, I got 2 suppressors already. And of course, teammate takes off without the freaking teammate. I'm gonna be so mad if I'm not able to use one of my suppressors for someone. Let's see what happens though. Maybe I'll just take my own teammate out. It's like really not a fun time when you have big hills behind you and it's closing in. Like sometimes people wait for you to like get into a safe zone and like will snipe you out in the hills, so they have enough time, but you feel like you're one of the last people getting in safe zone, and literally there's like people just waiting behind you. I think this was one of the maps that I actually had a chicken dinner on at one time with one of my friends. Here, a car. Yeah, not an easy shot. He's moving too fast too. Don't want to cause much disturbance in the force. Where is he coming back? And with no help from my teammate, that's how you die. Well, alright guys. Hey, thanks for joining me on this game. Gonna make this a short one. I don't really feel like... Yeah, it just sucks when you have a crimes like your team doesn't communicate at all or anything like that. It just kind of ruins it for you. But hey, thanks for joining me again. Like, I thought it was pretty cool that I was able to at least find 2 suppressors. Wasn't able to do much with it. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for joining, y'all. I appreciate y'all coming back to Funky Fresh Gaming. Let me know what y'all's gamer tags are, and I can add y'all. I'd love to play with y'all too as well. With that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every time I do make a video. And please share this video with your friends, and whoever else may want to watch some PUBG gaming or other gaming as well when I decide to get a hold of some new games. So I'll talk to y'all next time. Peace.